Hi everyone! In this short tutorial, I'll show you a new feature available in the latest version of CGS Lab software solutions. This update is an upgrade to the 3D Polyline editor and simplifies working with multiple 3D polylines. When we open the Polyline editor, we have several options available. One of them is the ability to raise or lower a 3D polyline by any value we choose. In previous versions, we could only raise or lower one 3D polyline at a time by selecting cells in the table and then right-clicking to run the option for lowering or raising the elevation. But now, in a new version, we can select multiple 3D polylines directly in the drawing. And already here, on the left side of the dialog box, we have the option to raise or lower all selected 3D polylines by a custom value. This removes the previous limitation and makes the process much faster and more efficient. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you find this new functionality helpful in your work. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.